In the Graphics tab, you'll find all the graphics you could need to put the finishing touches on your collages. You can either click the Computer button to upload graphics stored on your computer, or click the Search Graphics button to search hundreds of customizable vector graphics and icons to choose from. Either type in a search term or search by popular tags. Just click on any graphic you like, and you'll find your selections under your graphics. Drag and drop them onto your collage to start customizing. Use the Graphic Properties toolbar to change the color overlay, adjust the opacity, blend mode, and more. Use the Duplicate button to create a copy of any graphic. And for precise placement when you're working with more than one layer, use the Move Backwards and Move Forwards buttons to reposition layers the way you want.